Good evening, ma'am. Myself Arjun, and my teammates are Bindu RN, Hamsapri NM, and Kaveshri MS. So, ma'am, I just welcome to our PBL group. So we are giving a presentation on automated handwriting machine. So I will just give an overview, like abstract on our project. So this project develops an IoT-based handwriting machine using Arduino UNO and CNC Shield V3 and NEMA 17 stepper motors to automatically write or draw on paper. So stepper motors also help us to give a precise answer and an expected outcome also. Then the system converts the digital text into G code and controls motor movement for real handwriting. It reduces manual effects in tasks like note writing, form filling, showing how IoT and automation can combine to create smart writing solution. So this was an overview. So let's go for introduction, which will be covered by Kaveshri now.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Kaveshri. I'm here to say the introduction of our project. Internet of Things means connecting physical devices like machine sensors to the internet so that they can be controlled or monitored remotely. Even though we mostly use digital typing today, handwriting is still an important task for writing, education purpose, notes, and even for writing assignments. But manual handwriting takes lot of time and consume more efforts, especially when writing a large content repeatedly. Normal plotter machine can write, but they don't have a smart IoT features. They cannot be controlled remotely or updated easily. To solve this problem, a smart IoT-based handwriting machine was developed. This machine uses IoT, CNC controller, stepper motor, and it writes text and look like a human handwriting using digital input on the computer or a phone. Let's go for a problem statement. Writing a long text by hand consumes more efforts and it is slow. People who needs to write the same content multiple times spend lot of time in it. There is a need of smart machine that can do handwriting automatically from digital text. The system should use IoT so user can send text remotely. The machine should then write the text in natural human-like handwriting form. This can be used to write notes, assignments, letters, personal messages, etc. It saves time, effort, and improve accuracy while still keeping the handwriting feel. Next will be continued by Bindu.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself Bindu. I am continuing the significance of this project. In this section, explain why our IoT-based handwriting machine is important and how it contributes to technology and society. The first point is bridge the gap between digital and text handwriting. Here we are concentrating about the personal touch of the handwriting and promoting the automation in everyday writing. Uh, it reduces the manual efforts by the automatic task and notes making for the peoples. It helpful for peoples by reducing manual efforts. Enable the remote control through the IoT. The writing the machine can be operated from anywhere. Saves the times and efforts of the effort of manual writing. Automates the repeating writing jobs of the saving times of the humans and human times and energy, supporting the differential uses by which help for the who cannot write the manually, who have the physical challenges,
Just a
useful for
second.
education and documents.
Can you share your PPT on screen?
Yeah, ma'am, it is shared already.
Oh, continue.
uh, Showing the in excuse me ma'am, useful for education and documentation. It can be used for the students who to write the assignments and official forms and personalized notes. Show the integrated IoT, robotics, and machineries. Here we can use the technologies like robotics and IoT and machineries. Next, I am continuing the scope and limits of this project. In this section, we define what the project can do, like scope, automation, and a machine. The main goal of this machine about the automation and smartness, remote control, and useful for notes from and assignments. It's suitable for the students to make the documents, official letters, and the personalized notes. We combines here IoT, robotics, and automation, integrated multiple like technologies into one function. And we have some limitation for this. Limitation like limited handwriting and speed. Here we have the limited speed and styles. Need a stable internet for the performance of the machine, and requires proper network work the best for all small scale work. If it is a small scale, it works good, and if it large scale, it speeds becomes slower. Thank you. Next will be continued by Amsapriya.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I am presenting our innovative project, the IoT-based automated handwriting machine, a perfect blend of technology, intelligence, and creativity. Let's begin with the literature review. In 2016, the Axis drawn pen plotter demonstrated precise handwriting using a simple two-axis CNC machine mechanism. It provided that machines could mimic human handwriting with great accuracy. And later in 2018 and 2022, Arduino based plotters were developed using stepper motors for writing tasks. That's where our project steps on main objective design and develop a smart IoT based handwriting machine that can write anything, anytime, and anywhere. We aim to automate writing tasks using servo and stepper motors, enabling remote control and monitoring through IoT platform. Our systems will convert digital text into real handwriting output, making documentation effortless and more personalized. This project is designed to reduce manual efforts, save time, and even provide assistive support for differently abled individuals who face difficult in writing. Finally, this project beautifully showcases the integration of IoT, robotics, and automation. Represents our technology can transfer a simple human skill into an intelligent connected process. In short, our automated handwriting machine is not just a device; it's a step towards the future of smart, accessible, and creative automation. Thank you, ma'am. Next, it will conclude by Arjun.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will just introduce the hardware and software components of our project. So, we are using Arduino UNO and CNC Shield and A4988 stepper motor drivers. And stepper motors, they are used for like we are using two stepper motors for x-axis and y-axis, and servo motor for pen up and down movement, and power adapter frame and pen holder also. So software we are using Arduino IDLE and GRBLE firmware, and GRBLE firmware so we are using GRBL firmware as a universal G code sender or a laser GRBL software also, and it also uses Inkscape for G code generation. And ma'am, one more thing that Arduino ideally we are in Arduino ideally we are using C programming for for our project, ma'am. That's all, ma'am. This was by our team.
Okay. Uh, what is the function of servo motor in your project?
Yeah, ma'am. For the function for up and down, ma'am.
Up and down.
Yeah,
For
ma'am.
x-axis and y-axis?
We are using stepper motors.
Okay, fine. Then how do you send data from the mobile to the hardware?
Ma'am,
From your mobile app to hardware?
yeah, 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 ma'am. Actually, we are planning that from mobile we will take a photo, which will scan all the information, and we will convert into text form first by using AI agents like ChatGPT only. Then we are sending it to a code, C programming code, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. What are the limitations?
Yeah, ma'am. The main limitation is, ma'am, like time efficient. It is not so time efficient. And one more thing, like it has some limited styles, ma'am. It cannot go like for like we are using Arduino board, so we can't use like ML programming or something. If we had using Raspberry Pi, then we could use ML also, ma'am. Like we can use voice assistant, even like direct picture. It will take direct picture and it will convert to text itself only, ma'am. But we are not able to go that far at present.
Okay, then how many style of fonts you are trained to this project?
Actually, we don't have like the list of styles at present, but for the next review, we will show you the styles also, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
ಓಯ್
ನಂದು
PPT
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲೇ PPT. ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಲೋ
ಅರ್ಜುನ್
ಹಾ
PPT ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು,
PPT
PPT
share
ಶೇರ್
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ
ನನಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡವಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು.
ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ
ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲೂ
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್
PPT
ಆಗುವಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಕಂಡದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು